Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will review a few easy tools for asking and telling time in Spanish. Let's get started. Next, let's talk about asking and telling time in Spanish. Talking about the time in Spanish is actually really straightforward. First, here's an easy way to ask the time. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Now, here's an easy way to answer. For most hours, you use the phrase son las, followed by the number corresponding to that hour, right? For example, if it's 3 o'clock, you say it like this: son las tres. It's 3 o'clock. Son las tres. Another example. Son las siete. It's 7 o'clock. Son las siete. But there's a small exception. When you're talking about 1 o'clock, you use es la una instead of son las, because we're talking about a single hour and not a plural number of hours. All right? Here it is one more time. Es la una. It's 1 o'clock. Es la una. Now, let's add minutes into the mix. The easiest way to say minutes past the hour is to add the word y, which means and, or the word con, which translates as with, followed by the number of minutes. Here are a few examples. Son las 4:10. It's 10 past 4, or it's 4:10. Son las 4:10. Son las 7:20. It's 7:20, or it's 7:20. Son las 7:20. Son las 8:25. It's 25 past 8, or it's 8:25. Son las 8:25. For half past the hour, you can use the phrase y media, which translates as and a half. Here's an example. Son las 6:30. It's 6:30, or it's 6:30. Son las 6:30. And for quarter past, you can use the phrase y cuarto, which translates as and a quarter. Here's an example. Son las 2:15. It's 2:15. Son las 2:15. Next, here are a few bonus time-related phrases. You can use them in conversations by replacing the numbers for the time you want to talk about. Here we go. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. For example, if you wanted to say, what time are we meeting for the lunch? You could say, or for breakfast. A las 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. All right? Another way to say it is 10 de la mañana. 10 in the morning. 10 de la mañana. Now, if you're talking about the afternoon or at night, but usually the afternoon, you could say like this: 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Another option could be this: 4 de la tarde. 4 in the afternoon. 4 de la tarde. And if you want to talk about a time in the night or at night, you can use this: 11 de la noche. 11 at night. 11 de la noche. So, you might hear sentences like these ones. Son las 9 de la mañana. It's 9 in the morning. Son las 9 de la mañana. Son las 4 de la tarde. It's 4 in the afternoon. Son las 4 de la tarde. Son las 10 de la noche. It's 10 at night. Son las 10 de la noche. And here are 2 handy phrases you will use often to ask about the time of an event. ¿A qué hora? At what time? ¿A qué hora? Or you could also say, ¿A qué hora es? At what time is it? ¿A qué hora es? And you can reply like this: a las 4. At 4 o'clock. A las 4. Or you could say, es a las 5. It is at 5 o'clock. Es a las 5. We have learned a few easy ways to talk about time in Spanish. And if you want to keep learning, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.